Russian Pacific Fleet's air defense enters combat duty in new position areas as part of the Pacific Fleet SNAP combat readiness inspection. The S-400 SAM systems, Pantsir-S AAMGS, and radar stations of various operating ranges were alerted for air defense in the new positioned areas to repel any air attack in the district. Preliminarily, the cruise and air defense units marched from the deployment points to the new position areas. During the marches, the personnel trained to repel an attack by sabotage and reconnaissance groups of a mock enemy, as well as detecting aerial targets using Pantsir-S systems.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.